Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to add new apps to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So first we want to go into settings. We want to scroll down a little bit and go to home screen. In here, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see that we have an option called Add New Apps to Home Screen. And all we have to do is simply enable it. And now, if we, for example, install this application, we'll see that after it's installed, it will be in our home screen. And as you can see, our battery life here is in the left upper corner. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.